Hey guys, I'm Stephanie, and this is Steph Stove, and I want you to stop before this summer that you go in your refrigerator and reach for this old bottle of ranch dressing that's been in there who knows how long in the back, and who knows how to pronounce some of these things on the label here. I'm going to show you in about 5 minutes how to make the best, creamiest homemade ranch dressing you've ever had. So take this, throw it away, and let me show you how to do it. Here we go. All right, I'm going to mix mine up. This is just a 4-cup measuring cup. Makes it nice and easy to mix together. First of all, we're going to take half of a cup sour cream. Any brand that you have in your refrigerator will work. Whatever you like. Then to this, we are going to add a half of a cup of sour cream because it's going to give that good richness. You want full fat sour cream for this, not light sour cream or reduced fat, full fat, because we want it to be super, super good. Then we're going to take about 1/3 of a cup here, and this is just whole milk. And I'm going to kind of mix this together because we want to kind of liquefy our solid ingredients here. Break those up to a creamy consistency. Get my whisk. Work those together nicely. Now, if you didn't want to use milk, you could use buttermilk. Absolutely fine. You could substitute that. However, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. So with the milk and the tablespoon of vinegar, it will give us a buttermilk effect. So you don't have to worry about buying buttermilk unless you already have it. And if you already have the buttermilk and you're adding it, I would just reduce the amount of vinegar because you want that nice little twangy flavor to it. Get a nice creamy consistency here. And then we're going to start flavoring it up. So first thing we're going to add garlic. And you can use whole garlic if you want to. To me, it's just as easy to get the jarred garlic or jarlic, like some people refer to it. And I'm going to take 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. And if you like a little bit more, by all means, add just a little bit more. Wouldn't go too strong on it in the beginning because we got a lot of good flavors in here. Blend that up. And then we're going to start with our seasoning here. I've got 1 teaspoon of onion powder. I've got 1 teaspoon of dried parsley, and you will need dried for this. 1 teaspoon of dried chives. Get those in there. Get that mixed up. It's already got a pretty look to it. Look at it already. We're not finished yet. Then we're going to take and add just a little bit more. I've got half of a teaspoon of dill. I've got half of a teaspoon of salt, and I use sea salt for mine. It's just my personal preference. And then I have 1 teaspoon of coarse black pepper that I just got finished grinding up. Put all those together and get that pretty look from the dill. And look at there. Perfect, beautiful homemade ranch dressing in no time, and we know everything that's in it. Isn't that beautiful? Now, let's pour it up and get ready to taste it. All right, after we finish mixing it up, another reason I like to use this, I'm going to store it in a fluted mason jar. You want to be sure that you're storing it in the refrigerator in an airtight container, whatever your container may be. And just the mason jars are nice and easy. In my opinion, you can use them for a lot of things, and they're just wonderful. There, our beautiful homemade ranch dressing, creamy, luscious, full of flavor. We know everything that's in it, and it takes about 5 minutes. I'm Stephanie, and this has been Steph Stove. For today, we made homemade ranch dressing. Now, if you're a fan of the kind that you get that has the, what kind of valley in it, this is hands down thousands times better. No comparison. Now, you do need to store it in an airtight container, so make sure you have one with a lid on it and keep it in the refrigerator. It'll be wonderful for about 7 to 10 days. It does have dairy, so make sure, always give it the sniff test after 7 days, and then if it starts to separate, if you haven't used it, pour it out and make yourself a brand new batch. It'll be even better. Look at pretty. And one of the things I love to show you, why do I have chips out? Because I'm gonna get some of this right here. I love ranch dressing with chips. If you not, that flavor explosion, if you have never tried ranch dressing with potato chips, oh my goodness. So good. Carrots, vegetables, salad, coleslaw. My grandma used to make ranch with coleslaw. So good. I do hope you try this homemade variety. It is absolutely, hands down, better than anything you can get in the grocery store. So remember, give us a thumbs up, click that subscribe button for more great content like this. Steph, we're making memories, one dish at a time. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a wonderful day.